Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're doing something really fun.
We're going to talk about asking for directions.
This happens to everyone, right? Oh, definitely. I get lost all the time. Even with my phone, I still get confused sometimes.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from Chicago. Big city, lots of streets, very easy to get lost in.
I'm from a small town in Texas. Not many streets there, so I get so confused in big cities.
I bet. Let's imagine you just moved to a new city. What do you do?
First thing in Dow, I ask someone for help.
Let's act it out. I'll pretend I'm new in town.
Sounds good, let's do it. Okay, just so you know, we're gonna act out a little story now.
Yeah, I'll pretend to be a tourist who just moved here, and Mike will help me find my way. All right, I'm ready. Let's pretend this is my first day in the city.
Perfect, let's go.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me for a second?
Sure, what do you need?
Do you know where the nearest grocery store is?
It's not far. Walk straight down this street, then turn left at the red building.
Turn left at the red building, okay?
Walk 2 more blocks. The grocery store will be on your right side.
2 blocks, then it's on my right. Thank you so much.
No problem. Are you new to the city?
Yes, I just moved here from Ohio. Still learning my way around.
Welcome! It takes time, but you'll get used to it.
Everything looks the same to me right now.
I remember that feeling. I got lost almost every day when I first moved here.
It's a little scary, moving somewhere new all by yourself.
I understand that completely.
But trust me, it gets easier every single day.
One time I walked the wrong way for 20 minutes trying to find a coffee shop.
The coffee shop was right behind me the whole time.
That's so funny. That happens to everyone at least once.
Can you tell everyone some useful phrases?
Excuse me, can you help me? Do you know where the nearest is? I'm a little lost.
Walk straight down this street. Turn left at the corner. It's on your right. It's just a few blocks away.
All right, ready for scenario number 2?
Yes. Let's pretend I'm lost again, but this time I need the bus station. Excuse me again. I'm trying to find the bus station.
It's a little far. You might want to take a taxi.
I think I'll walk. I like exploring new places.
That's a good attitude. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right at the traffic light. You'll see a big park. The bus station is right across from it.
That's easy to remember. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your walk.
I will. Thanks again.
Confidence matters more than perfect grammar.
True. Even native speakers make small mistakes when talking. Don't be afraid to ask for help. People are usually happy to help.
Right. Practice these phrases, and you'll feel more confident. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Tell us about a time you got lost in a new place. See you next time.